Now all will be read for national anthem.
Play by USB drive.
सायौँ थुङ्गा फुलका हामी एउटै माला नेपाली सर्वभौमै फैलिए मेची महाकाली सायौँ थुङ्गा फुलका हामी एउटै माला नेपाली सर्वभौमै फैलिएका मेची माली प्रकृतिका कोटि कोटि सम्पदाको वीरहरूका रगत स्वतन्त्र र अटल ज्ञान भूमि शान्ति भूमि तराई पहाड हिमाल अखण्ड यो प्यारो मातृभूमि नेपाल बहुजाति भाषा धर्म संस्कृति छन् विशाल अग्रगामी राष्ट्र जय जय नेपाल
Inside, and down. Standing, attention. Standing, attention. Now all will be ready for the school song.
Tranquilo moti ziknu sa, tranquilo moti ziknu sa. Anupam, 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 anupam. Bialo
inside, and soft, inside, and strong. Stand is attention. Stand is attention. Last name roll number 5 and 6.
Good morning and namaste to my honorable principal sir, vice principal sir, respected teachers and all my dear friends. Today in this fine morning I am standing in front of a short and sweet speech on the topic of bad effect of online games. Before starting my topic, I would like to organizer who have organized this type of program which helps to increase the confidence level of the student. So my topic goes like this. Online game is most popular trend in youth generation today. It only requires of smartphone, laptops and internet connection. These resources are necessary nowadays, but involving ourselves only on a online game includes some difficulties like accident, addiction on social and irritating public place and neglecting their studies. At last I want to say that in my point of view we should learn to balance and recreate to learn to live happy and healthy life. Thank you.
Roll number 7.
7, do tomorrow. Tomorrow 7 in it.
And scour off. Inside. And soft. Inside. And strong. Stand is attention. Stand is attention.
Is anybody's birthday there?
Is anybody birthday today?
No?
Now all of you be ready for math class.
Are you singing?
Now I like to welcome our principal sir to give some information.
Everybody be active. Hands cover up. Will you check your line? The student who is standing at last must not see the head of any other students. If you see, that means the line is crooked. Hands side. Hands up. Stretch your hands. Hands side. Hands down. Stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. So the students are bringing very lovely topics. So today's topic was really admirable. Bad impacts of online games. And the person who has given this speech, Master David Giri, has said those impacts, bad impacts. So everybody must implement those things, what not to follow in life and what to follow in life. Generally, there is no any house without internet, without smartphone, without laptop, and the students are wasting more and more time in such games, online games, offline games, and social media, so that their creativity is decreasing day by day. You are not being more creative. And coming Sunday, there is one program. Do you know what is the extracurricular activities which is going to be held on Sunday? Is there any idea? Can anybody say? So coming Sunday, there will be education material preparation competition. What is the name of the competition? Educational material preparation competition. So, you will be divided into different groups, and the concerned subject teachers, they will tell you what to do. The group division will be done by class teacher. Class teacher will divide you in respective subjects. If there are 7 subjects in your class, then there will be 7 groups. If 10 subjects, 10 groups. And the work will be done in a group. And the group will be the winner. So, we want to see your creativity. Only chart paper work is not enough. You can make other samples, other designs. Please show your talent. Who knows? The future scientists are standing over here. Future inventions are standing over here. There is one saying, morning shows the day. So you have to show your talent in front of the people. So you start from school. Are you ready? Yes, sir. So, today in first period, you will get the duty and some of the works you can do at home. And coming Sunday, there will be the final. Actually, there is saying grand finale, right? So grand finale will be held on coming Sunday. So please be creative and bring something new, so that we can say, yes, this student is going to do something new in future. Attention, studies. Attention. Cover up. Straight your hands. Hands side. Hands up. Clap together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. You are clapping for your benefit. You are not clapping for my benefit. 1, 2. Come on. Hands side. Hands down. Stand at it. Attention. Stand at it. Attention. March time. Grade 9. Move forward.